Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have a ScrawlrBox today. It's the box number 95. I've been enjoying opening these art supplies boxes. It's a good way to discover new materials or some that are already familiar with. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, very excited. Okay, I'm seeing beautiful colors. Here we have the zine, an art print from the featured artist, Steph Pardo. She is an illustrator and potter from the UK. I love the colors, quite vibrant. And last but not least, a watercolor paper pad in A5 size. Here we go. What are the materials we are going to use here? Very excited. This is my favorite part. Oh, so cool! A gum! Yay! It always reminds me of school times. Love this flavor too, it's watermelon. A sticker with the artist's illustration. A watercolor set. I'm very excited to try it out. Perfect size travel kit palette, so cool. And it has a sheet for us to swatch the colors. Definitely very excited to experiment. Here's a black pen Faber-Castell size 0.7. And a brush and a very cute art print. Sorry guys, my camera isn't focusing very well. What we are going to do, let's do some swatches first and see each color on paper. Oh, let's take a look at the tin first. We have tips on how to use the materials here, a reference to the artist and some valuable tips for creating our art. Oh, I noticed this tip about the pen. It's waterproof, meaning we can do the outline first and then paint over it. Sounds good to me. Very excited to try it. Let's take an A5 watercolor sheet. This kit is really nice. It has a cork base, very cute. So let's use this brush that was provided to us. It has a flat tip. I call it cat's tongue. Let's try out the colors here. Let's see. There are the colors on our palette and we are going to use them in our drawing. I have no idea what I'm going to do. The colors are very vibrant. It's funny that they don't quite match that we see in the palette, but that's just how it is. So I'm going to start by drawing a quick sketch here. Please stay with me on this part. I thought of drawing a mushroom. Drawing mushrooms is great for unlocking creativity for me. Let's use our pen here. I found that, at least for my drawing, the tip is a bit too thick. Maybe a pen with a finer tip is missing here to make certain details. Who knows? And let's start with watercolors. Are you ready? It's really cool to paint with watercolors. We can create various color contrasts and build it up multiple layers. I wish maybe this brush was more suitable for what I'm doing here. I love drawing mushrooms, totally obsessed. Here I'm making a huge effort to use this brush on my tiny sketch. I love these colors, they are so beautiful. A little frog that I made here. It's a bit too squished, poor thing. A little froggy. Hello. And now let's move on to the last flower. I'm going to use a blue here to add a bit of contrast to the warm colors of the mushroom. Watercolor painting is so relaxing. I really love this kit, it's so perfect to take with me everywhere. It's very nice. Tell me in the comments if you usually paint with watercolors or other traditional techniques. These boxes are great for taking a break from digital drawing. Erasing some pencil marks here, and I will go over once again with the pen to add some final small details. And we are done. I actually like how it turned out. I love the colors. Maybe I could have used them differently, but this is what came out. I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and that it was helpful showcasing these materials. Say bye to the little froggy and see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye!